Hello friends, in this video I am going to cover unit conversion in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation module Cloud Base. Three types of unit conversion: standard, intra-class or interclass. In standard unit conversion, rules that apply to all products. Standard conversion rule can only be set up for unit of measure in the same unit class. And intra-class conversion rules for unit of measure in the same unit class, and interclass conversion rules for the unit of the measure across unit classes. Now we will see here. You will see standard conversions. First is standard conversions. Now it's opening. In standard conversion, you will directly see from unit to unit rounding and description. You will create new as per your requirement. Then in interclass unit, you will see intra-class conversion. You will see product ID, then definition, then from unit to unit. You can edit to any unit and see whatever major fields in this form. Here unit, from unit like PL, 100, factor and 2 unit. Rounding to nearest, formula layout simple and advanced. Two options are there, and rounding is nearest up rounding and down rounding. You can set either simple, either advanced as per your requirement. I have changed nothing here. Now I will click OK. For visitor will slow due to speed, connection, internet. Please keep patience. You can see whatever you have set. You can see in definition 1 PL equal to 100 EA each, 10 each, 50 each, like that. Then interclass conversion. This is also along with the products. Here also definition you can see setup product SP conversion rules from unit of measure across unit classes. Same mostly from unit to unit definition and products, rounding. These are the basic things under the unit conversion. You can go to product release product also, and you can check the unit conversion there also. Whatever the unit set, it will show there. So in this short video I have shown you unit conversion. I hope you will like this video. If you like, please don't forget to share and subscribe.